living life every day.
So friends, this is 12 tons. As you can see, this is the first line, and we have the loop in the middle, and this is the second upper here guys, and we have the loop. This is the loop.
Don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe.
So guys, as you can see, this is our positive. The center tap is our positive. Here is our negative, the source of the Mosfet, and the middle is the drain. It was connected to the down wire of this coil guys, and the gate with 560 ohms resistor was connected up here, as you can see. So like this is the loop, the center tap, and this is the positive, and here is our negative, the source of the Mosfet guys. And we are using this 3.7 volt battery, as you can see. So let's do that now guys, and see how this thing is working.
All I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
So guys, this is our positive, and this is the negative wire. We are going to connect it here, so I'm going to put another wire. So guys, as you can see, I've connected it. So let's test it guys. And this is our receiver coil and the capacitor parallel. So as you can see guys, our project is working. You can hear the sound guys. The project is working. As you can see guys, this is an inductor, and it was connected to this bulb. So if I put it here, as you can see guys, it is working. As you can see, the red light too is working guys. See guys, our project is working. Please like and share guys, subscribe. Wanted to put this paper to cover it so that we can place our receiver coil to it. So this is the paper, as you can see, and I have my switch here so that I can use it to switch on and switch off guys. And this is the receiver coil with a capacitor parallel to the bulb. So put it here guys, as you can see. This is the paper and the coil is under. So let's on it, guys. As you can see, it is working. So please subscribe to my channel. If I still lift it up, as you can see. So please subscribe to my channel, guys. Let's off it. So this is a wireless power transmission, guys. As you can see. So guys, our project is working.